Hello, this is Irina Fonina. In this video, I will be showing you how I created this layout using amazing Altenew products. My base today is white 12x12 cardstock. First of all, I'm arranging the pictures. I wanted the square picture to be the focal point, so I added a piece of cardstock in coordinating color as a mat for it. I decided to add an interesting title, so I used a cut-through technique. The die set that I used is Linear Pathway Alpha Outline. It has nice large separate letters. I have aligned and connected the letters with repositionable tape. This made it easier to cut them all at once. The title will go there, but now I see that I need to add something to the background. My choice is gold string washi tape. It is self-adhesive. I have to gently unroll the full 12-inch length and press it down. Later, I will wrap the tails around the edges of the cardstock. As you can see, I haven't glued main pieces down yet. This is intentional, as I may need to add more accents to go behind them. I have added two smaller pieces of the same color as the title to complement it. Then I wanted to add some foliage. I used Forest Glades metallic shimmer ink spray to create interesting and unique paper. Then I die cut the branches using some dies from Virginia Rose 3D die set. This is how I arrange the foliage. Most of the leaves go around the focal point and also support the vertical line on the right side of the layout. A few branches are in the top left corner, pointing toward the focal point and also balancing the negative space. Now it is time to glue everything down, which I will do off camera. Now I will stamp additional journaling using invisible number stamp set. Number 3 in the year is not a mistake, it's a placeholder. I will take it out and stamp number 2 later. I'm going to emboss it with rose gold embossing powder. I will do it off camera and show you how it turned out. Actually, it turned out really well. I used anti-static prep powder and stamping platform to ensure I get the best results. You can't say you're done until you add some smaller accents like those self-adhesive enamel dots by Altenew. There are no special rules how to do that, simply choose coordinating colors and put different sizes here and there. Now I'm ready to reveal the final project. I hope that you liked my video tutorial, and I encourage you to try new products and new ways to use them. Thank you for watching.